So how do we actually connect our 8BitDo Pro 3 controller here, as you can see, to our PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4? Well, I was able to do it and I'm going to show you exactly how. The first thing I had to get, by the way, was one of those Wingman converters right here, as you can see. So this little thing right here, you can see it works for PlayStation 5 but also for PlayStation 4. It makes sure that we can use other controllers than just the PlayStation 5 controller on our PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 basically. So this right here, this is like, it's a magical device, and I'm not even sponsored, by the way. I'm using this one myself and it's been working like magic. By the way, I have linked that one in this, like the link to it in the description below. It is an Amazon affiliate link and I may earn a small commission if you purchase through it, but at no extra cost to you, of course. So if you want to support the channel and you want to get it, then I would appreciate if you could use my link. But anyways, basically what we need to do now is that when you got this converter here, we need to insert it right here on our PlayStation 5 at the back here, as you can see. And then what you also need to do, you need to use an USB-C cable right here. So you can use like basically any USB-C cable whatsoever. I have a pretty good one here personally that's been working really well. I will leave a link, an affiliate link for it as well if you want to be able to get it. You don't have to if you already have one at home, of course. And like I said before, I will earn a small commission from it, but at no extra cost to you. So basically now when you have a USB-C cable, what you need to do is the USB end needs to go here and the other end needs to go into your 8BitDo Pro 3 controller right here. Then if it's not starting up, click on start, but for me it's already started here, as you can see. And now it works perfect without any latency whatsoever here, as you can see. So I'm able to use the 8BitDo Pro controller here on my PlayStation without any problems. I tried, by the way, with this, so this doesn't work because this one does not fit inside of the converter here, because you can see it's totally different connection here. I tried with this one as well. This is an 8BitDo adapter, I think it's called. This one works, but it gives an incredible latency and it's not worth it. You need to use it with the cable here, as you can see, and then you will have no latency whatsoever. So yeah, once again, if you want to, I will link a link down below for both the converter and also the USB-C. And if you want to be able to support my channel, I would really appreciate if you could use those links basically.